reality, and there's free flow of capital, across different economies. So we shouldn't get, nationalistic. The issue is how do we ensure that we get the best service from the foreign players. DataBank, for instance, we are currently working on some transactions in Uganda. We have a subsidiary in Gambia, Sierra Leone, Liberia. I mean, if they say that they will not allow us to go there because of, whatever, what will be our response? So I think let's move away from, we are protecting our tech. Because the thing is also that when foreign banks come in, there's transfer of knowledge. Because the fact is that no one has got monopoly. But as you have these kind of interactions with the broader global economy, there's a lot of transfers that can take place. So let's not get paranoid. Let's make sure that we have the rules in place, we have good regulators, that is central bank, and then we derive the maximum benefit. If, for instance, locals, Ghanaians want to, pool their resources together to, for instance, buy ADB or set up some other bank, go ahead and do it. But let's not say that if we are not getting any local thing, then no foreigners must come in. And I think that the foreigners that have come in have injected some competition into the system, whether we like it or not. I mean, people are worried about the Nigerian banks, but until the Nigerian banks came, nobody was talking about start opening an account with zero funds. So it's good. Let's just make sure that we have the structures in place.